Hello, I'm Dallin Rathel, and I'm going to talk about Firebase for my TED Talk. I'm choosing Firebase because I think it's a really cool thing. It's built by Google, and it's like a multi-service um, server slash cloud storage plus cloud functions. It does a lot, and that's what I think is really cool, and that's why I want to show it to you. So for my project, I'm doing a meal plan generator, but I'm not really supposed to talk about our projects, about what really we're supposed to talk about what we're learning, so I'm not going to talk about that. But they have a Spark plan, which I think is the coolest part, is that it's completely free as long as your project is small. And it changes, it's dependent on like how many downloads you have, how many database calls that you use, or how many logins, authentications that you use. But if it goes up, then you go up to fixed, and then or you could do pay as you go. But it's pretty generous in its free plan, especially as students creating a project. It's great to use. But they have authentication, database storage, hosting, and functions in MLKit. I'm using almost all of these. I'm not using MLKit for my project, so I've been able to learn a lot. But they have a pre-built authentication in which it's really easy to use their API. They have all these different sign-in methods you can use. The traditional email and password, you could authenticate using a phone, Google, play games. If you're doing a game, Game Center, same thing. Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, all those different database. They have two different databases that you can use. They're both NoSQL. I've been using Cloud Firestore, which is their newer one, and I love it. It's a very easy concept to use. It has collections, which have documents, and then your data. Like I can show you with mine. Like this is my recipes that I have inputted so far, and you can put in different kind of objects into these, and you can even have a collection, sub-collection within your document. They also have a real-time database, which Cloud Firestore is also real-time. This one looks harder to use. It's all like JSON objects, or you can do XML. Not so user-friendly, and it's GUI, so that's why I went with Cloud Firestore. Looked more fun. Storage is really nice. They have you can have folders within your cloud storage, and you can put pictures for your like website. That's what I'm doing. And really easy to upload and to download these and use them on your website. Hosting, which I just learned on this fairly recently, is that you can host your project. Like they give you a free domain, which nobody's ever going to be able to remember that. Meal plan generator 745. See, but you can also connect your own custom domain, and not in the free version, but you can actually support multiple sites together on the Firebase. You have to pay for that one though. Then functions is where your backend is. I haven't started on this, but you can create cloud functions, which that way you don't have to, I mean, this already does it for you, but you don't have to do servers with your backend code. And everything in the cloud functions is run through Node.js, that framework for JavaScript. And everything with these as well, they have rules, and so it's really easy to set up security. Mine is not very secure right now. I guess I shouldn't be telling you that, but it's just allow to read write. I'll have to change those, but most of them, it's really easy just using their authentication is allow read write when it's authenticated. But a lot of stuff you won't want any write except for admin, and you can easily do that too. You can make your authentication admin and everybody else is just a normal user, and you can put that in the rules um, to reflect likewise. Uh, that's a simple overview over Firebase. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.